In this video, I'll show you how you can buy cars in GTA 5 online. Now, all you have to do is bring up your phone. So if you're on PC, press the up arrow key on your keyboard, or if you're on console, press the up button on the D-pad to bring up the phone, and then scroll down and select internet, and then choose travel and transport. Now from here, scroll down and find the website that you'd like to buy the car from. So let's say, for instance, Southern San Andreas Super Autos. You can select that. And then you can scroll through the list of vehicles that you want to choose from. So find the car that you'd like to buy. So let's say, for instance, this particular car, select it, and then choose the color that you'd like to order it for. So let's say yellow, and then select buy. And you can see the vehicle stats as you scroll down. So choose buy, and then choose the location that you'd like to store that particular vehicle. So let me just store mine in a random area. So select that, and there you go. You can now see this notification. That particular vehicle will be delivered shortly to that particular location you chose. So that's basically it on how to purchase cars in GTA 5 online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.